Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your saved data back on your PlayStation 5 if it's gone. So maybe you're playing a single player game and you want to go ahead and get that saved information back. So here's Minecraft, for example. If we go to this game and we press options on it and we got PlayStation Plus, well, we can download the saved data from the cloud. So you can see it says check sync status of saved data. Now, if this is synced, we should be able to go ahead and get these saved data from the cloud. So it just says, please wait right now, and it's checking the sync. And it looks like both of them are synced. But at any point in time, we can go to settings right here and select this and scroll on down. And we want to go to save data and game app settings. Then go to save data for PS5 or whether it's a PS4 game. So go ahead and find the copy you want and then go up to the top here. And then we want to go to download or delete from cloud storage. So if we select this, we can see what we have on the online storage, and then we can just simply download it. So let's go to Minecraft now, and then go to download. So maybe you got some worlds or something on there from your PS4 account. You uploaded it to the cloud, and then you can download it to your PlayStation 5. So let's go to yes. And then go to yes here. Do you want to overwrite? So sometimes the data on the PlayStation 5 will be different from the cloud storage. It might be older, it might be newer. So go ahead and just look at that to see which one you want to go ahead and keep. So I had an issue with Red Dead Redemption before. My PlayStation 5 wasn't showing up that I had any kind of saved data for Red Dead Redemption, and I started a new campaign. But then I went over to my PlayStation 4 and I uploaded my PS4 version to the cloud, came back to my PS5, and downloaded it again, and I was good to go to start playing my campaign where I left off on my PlayStation 4. So make sure you're uploading this to the cloud, and it should do that automatically for you, unless you have the setting turned off specifically for that. And you can see save data for the PlayStation 4. We have an option for auto upload, and then we got the sync save data here on the PlayStation 5. Just make sure this is enabled. And you are leaving your PlayStation 5 in the rest mode. This should allow you to upload anything when you're away. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.